Welcome. Today we are going to master ray notation in geometry. Specifically, we will clear up the confusion between ray AB and ray BA and learn why the order of letters is absolutely critical. First, let us define what a ray is. A ray is a part of a line that has exactly one start point, which we call the endpoint. From that start point, it extends infinitely in exactly one direction. You can think of it like a laser beam or sunlight. When we write the name of a ray, there is one golden rule you must follow. Always write the endpoint first. The notation is always the start point letter followed by the direction point letter. Let's look at ray AB here. The first letter is A. This means the ray starts at point A, it goes through point B, and continues forever in that direction. The arrow above the letters indicates this path. Now, contrast that with ray BA in this case. The first letter is B. This means the ray starts at point B, it goes through point A, and continues forever to the left. Notice how the direction has completely changed. Here you can see them side by side. Ray AB starts at A and goes right. Ray BA starts at B and goes left. Even though they use the same letters, they represent completely different sets of points on the line. Mathematically, these two rays are not equal. Ray AB includes points to the right of A. Ray BA includes points to the left of B. They overlap between A and B, but they extend into opposite infinities. Think of the flashlight analogy. If you are standing at point A holding a flashlight and you point it at your friend at point B, the light originates from you. That is ray AB. It does not shine backwards behind you. Let's closely examine the written symbol. We write the two letters next to each other. We place a small arrow above them. Important, the arrow symbol on top always points to the right, even if the actual ray on the diagram points left, up, or down. The letters tell you the direction, not the symbol. To wrap up, remember these key points. A ray has one endpoint. The order of letters matters. The first letter is always your starting point, and the second letter is your direction. Master this, and you will never mix up your rays again.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.